only chance of giving Lexus, my daughter, and millions of people like her these gloves that say what she signs or gestures, that's going to give nonverbal people a voice for the first time in their life. An amazing voice.
Okay, but you have to vote because it's down to you now. Okay, so they're gonna vote. You have to vote for the final 5. The final 5. We have 2 days to vote. So please, I'm gonna put the links below. Please vote for us.
Give millions of people a voice. She's saying vote. We're number 12. The link is below. The link is in our bio. The link is everywhere. Vote. Number 12. 1, 2. Number 12. The gloves. The 3 of us. Vote now. Thank you.